Hi, good morning everyone. I am Harsraj, BCA third year student. Today I am here to represent my project, which is prepared on the WordPress. This is a website of a client. The domain name is carrytechmind.com. It's a .com domain. I bought it from Hostinger. Okay, so now, and this whole website is hosted freely on infinityfree.com. So there is no charges for its hosting. Now I would move towards how my website looks. So firstly I would like to refresh so that we can see it. Okay, so these are the animations at the initials, and we move forward on the home page. This is home page. This is a footer section, and there are links. I mean, if I click on YouTube, FB, Instagram, any of this, it will direct me to the YouTube channel, Facebook page, and Instagram account of that client. Okay, it's a live project. It's for a client who is a YouTuber, and it's a blogging website of that client. Okay, now we will move to its blog section. That's his blog page. Now how blog is written or how it's animated, I would like to show you this. This is its blog section. Okay. Now I would suggest I would like to move on its dashboard for better understanding and what are the plugins used in it. So this is its dashboard. It's a post section of I am seeing the post section. Now it's a dashboard. It's dashboard. If we go on plugin section, the plugin I use are Contact Form 7, Elementor. Basically in Elementor I have designed the whole website. It's a designer Elementor, and theme I use is Flux. And for SEO purpose I am using Rank Math, and it's Updraft. This theme is just for the backup and restoration of the website. So that's all, and we can manage the whole website through this dashboard. It's admin logged in currently, and we have other logins also. We have other users also, so that the owner can post its blogs and other things and manage the account from his side also. And for any edit in website or any upgradation, I can use this admin login for that. That's all.